Hi, welcome to my channel. Here are the effects of eating garlic daily. Number 1. Heart health. Lowered blood pressure. Garlic has been associated with reduced blood pressure, helping to maintain cardiovascular health. 2. Cholesterol regulation. Regular garlic consumption may contribute to lowering total cholesterol levels and improving the cholesterol profile, reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Reduced inflammation. Garlic contains compounds with anti-inflammatory effects, potentially aiding in the management of inflammatory conditions and diseases. 4. Boosted immune system. Enhanced immune function. Allicin, a key component in garlic, exhibits antimicrobial properties, supporting the immune system and helping the body fight infections. 5. Detoxification. Detoxifying effects. Garlic may assist in detoxifying the body by promoting the elimination of heavy metals, contributing to overall health. 6. Cancer prevention, anti-cancer potential. Some studies suggest that garlic's organosulfur compounds may have protective effects against certain cancers, particularly in the digestive system. 7. Improved digestive health. Gut health. Garlic may positively influence the gut microbiota, promoting a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Diabetes management. Garlic may contribute to better blood sugar control, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. 9. Skin benefits. Skin health. Garlic's antioxidant properties may contribute to improved skin health, combating oxidative stress and promoting a youthful appearance. Please follow us for more.